Okay, so we're back in the shed. As you see in the last video, we've started stripping down the E36 and getting some weight out of it. Keelan has a lot of work done with the car since I was here last, and as you've seen on the video, the whole back of the car is completely stripped out now. All the boot is removed, and I think the next job that's on the list today is to take down all the subframes, take out the diff, just going to clean everything down, get everything painted, and have it all very easy to work on, and hopefully we'll have no more rust, something like that. So another big thing on the E36 I found several times was the shafts seized in the back hubs, so many times. So another thing is, if we are going to be going to track and we break a shaft or break a CV joint or something, we want to make sure that these shafts can come out. So that's what we'll be doing as well today, making sure that we can get them shafts out of the hubs. When it goes wrong, it can go terribly wrong. It's so much so we just have to scrap the hub. Like, I had it in presses, 20-30 ton on it, just will not move, shocking up with big sledges, everything. And what happens is, in the end of the shaft, it'll burr and burr and burr, and then it's just, you never get a nut on it again. So that's another thing that we do want to try today. So we have got a new selfie stick, and we have also got a stand as well, so we can have the phone. We're going to do lots of time lapses of what we're at, just soaking everything up now on with WD-40, so make sure that we have no breakages and everything's out pretty simple. So Keelan and Abby is there, and they're just currently working on the car. So Keelan has been very busy. The whole back end of the car is cut out. We'll also be cutting the chassis legs, cutting them back here somewhere. I noticed when I had a bash bar just bolted on out here, and if you do hit a wall, it will absolutely mangle your two chassis legs, it will bend them. So we are going to cut it back here and then bolt on our bar, put a bar on out here to our bash bar then, and hopefully it won't damage any of the chassis further in there. So that's why we are doing that. Yeah, it is completely gutted. And Keelan, did you get that loosened?
I did.
It is, stuff looks like it hasn't been out in a while, does it?
No, it's all completely rusted in.
Yeah, so buckets of WD-40, yeah?
Yeah.
So we'll do a bit of a time lapse. We'll try and get the subframe down tonight.
Yeah, well, it will be down tonight.
It will be down tonight, exactly. Hopefully our shaft comes out of our hub, as I says, and we will cut to work. So we just got the diff out. Keelan is going to reveal what we have. Don't tell me the numbers are gone. There. Oh, you're rubbing the numbers off. And now we don't know what we have. But we think it's around a 3.1 or 3.2 anyway. So yeah, definitely is a medium case. That is a lot bigger. That's a very big diff. It's definitely not a small case anyway.
No.
But anyway, we have it out. We did have two these bolts in here, but we got them cut out. We may have sacrificed CV boot here, but handy enough got. Actually, I'll show you here. Yeah, completely seized. So we're hoping to heat these and save our cup, which we should. We just heat that up a little bit, and hopefully that will come free and save this. But we did lose a CV boot, RIP, but we will work it. So one side's nearly done, hub's out. We've just cut the brake lines and everything out because Keelan is running all new brake lines. It was very, very rusty, so I think we will run everything new because we do want to work on this car and we do want to be able to work on it easily, and this sort of stuff doesn't have the situation. There's our CV boot there. There's a little bit of a nick in it, so we need to get a new one of them. Definitely need new bushings, Keelan, don't you?
Yeah, quality bushings.
So you're getting a complete kit for the back of the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are absolutely mush. So we will be setting fire to them. So now let's go on and take out the other side. So we've got everything out, we've got the hubs out. Actually, Keelan, we have to try and take the shafts. I think we might get a cup of tea first, maybe. Yeah. But I'd say we need to loosen these off, and hopefully they are not seized in there.
Is this one loosened off?
Is that one loosened off?
Yeah.
So hopefully.
I'll put heat to them, so.
Just even try. Yeah, very gently. It might, sometimes it just goes straight away. But yeah, Keelan is going to strip all these down, put all new bushings in and tidy up all this, get all these sandblasted and get them all painted, just to have this car all clean underneath. Subframe as well, all new bushings. Is that moving? Is that like the best news I've seen all week? That is brilliant. That is brilliant. Let's hope that one does the same. Right, that was a good bit of ripping there. All back is out. E36s, I don't think they're like the E46s. Seemingly they crack around here and you have to put in reinforcing plates. But this definitely doesn't. And we have some brake fluid leaking down there, but we need to rerun all them pipes. Got my new black fairing kit as well. You have to learn how to do it.
Yeah. New bigger lines, if we can get them.
Yeah. Maybe some nice braided ones if the budget allows. It'll be very nice. Abby was just stripping down the door. We're going to get all these cut out. We might get these cut out tonight.
Yeah, we're good for them now.
You're going with plastic windows, yeah?
Yeah, window sliders there for it.
So if anyone needs front windows for an E36 coupe,
yeah,
contact Keelan.
Yeah.
The window motors, good. Scrap. Yeah. Scrap. Yeah. So yeah, actually one of them wasn't working, wasn't it?
Yeah, because the driver's side wasn't working down.
Yeah, and then wire, and then as well there's a lot of wire. Actually, you've that done there, Keelan, aren't you?
Yeah, just the headlights.
Yeah, so we're going to tidy up all the headlight wire, and we don't really need it. We're just going to run power out to our fans. And then LED lights or light bars, isn't that what you talked about?
The light bar down the bumper here. Make a frame, put it down in there.
We can definitely do that, yeah. But yeah, the front is basically, it's nearly ready to come off it there. Yeah. I don't know, are you going to go as far down the road as taking out engine and box and painting your engine bay?
Yeah.
And
do everything, do it right once.
Right. So there's going to be a lot of work on this. And yeah, should we go and have a cup of tea? You making tea? No. So, and then we will cut out the doors and lighten them up, because you are going Nass bars, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so the doors need to be definitely cut. And then the next thing will be take down the front. What? Tea first.
Tea.
So for anyone that's looking for a simple way to get remove your old bushings, Keelan is going to demonstrate now how to do that. That's one way of doing it. So basically, you just let the bushing burn right out. And then when it's burnt out, you're left with a little metal ring, hacksaw blade, cut it out. Poly bushings, then it'll just fit in lovely. So I think it really is. Well, we don't have a press, so this will do the job 100%. we've just stripped off all our calipers and carriers, brake pads. Keelan has done the same there. So we're going to strip these right back, and Keelan is going to burn these bushings out of it. And I think you're taking off the disc and taking out the handbrake out of it.
Yeah.
So basically in the E36 the handbrake shoes run in there. So we're going to remove them. And plus these old carriers for the handbrake cable, need to remove them as well. ABS sensor, probably stay there, we won't need it.
I burnt the last one over.
Yeah, you did. Set fire to it, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, basically get all these sandblasted or something and get them all painted. And you're ordering your bushings.
Yeah, I'll order them all.
Hopefully very soon. And then once we get all these burnt out, we can get our bushings back in. We do need to get a CV boot for one of the shafts as well.
Yeah, what shaft is it?
There's that one there. Yeah. So we need to get that.
And get the bolts out of this.
I need to get the bolts out of that as well.
When is that?
Huh?
No vice grips onto it there.
Hopefully with some heat and some WD-40 we may get.
Yeah.
And also we have one of the doors got at the passenger side, isn't it?
That's passenger, yeah.
That's the passenger door. That's completely got it. Try it out for weight there, Keelan. Did you bench it?
It's not too heavy now.
It's still a little bit of weight in it though, isn't there? Yeah. We had to cut everything out of it. This is really strong material here, but because Keelan is running the Nass car bars, they're going to be coming very close along the door there. So we needed to get that bar out. And again, calling for polycarbonate windows. I think we do have a lock, don't we, in there? We need to get that out.
Yeah. More weight.
But yeah, that is the remainder of the door. And then we need to do that one then. But yeah, I think we have enough done for tonight.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Tonight and today. So the back is completely non-existent, completely ripped out. Was it handy enough? Just for the couple of...
Yeah, just a couple of bolts there.
Yeah, that was handy enough.
Yeah.
So if we get... I think Keelan's plan is to tidy all this up and paint it.
Yeah, the right job.
Well, maybe somebody might let us know what colour to paint it underneath.
Yeah.
So, if you have any ideas on what colour you want to see Keelan painting underneath the car. Keelan says white.
Yeah.
You did say white.
I did say white.
So Keelan is thinking of painting the car white underneath, so.
And then, yeah.
With black in the background. Well, thinking of black as well. But someone in the comments, what colour, or even people that are in the drift scene and have built cars before.
What's the best colour?
What is the best colour?
For cleaning and looks.
Yeah. Well, definitely with all this muck. There's a bit of cleaning to be done. But yeah, somebody might let us know in the comments what colour to paint the car in underneath. And
you might give it a go and see what colours.
Might give it a go. And also what colour to paint all your arms.
Yeah.
And all your suspension components and your diff and all like that. Your subframe. So yeah.
See what people say.
See what people say and let us know on a colour team. I think Keelan has the colour picked for the car. But of course, that's all to be revealed, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's going to be the last thing. Right, so that's it. So that's another night done in the shed. We're just tidying up now and we're putting all our left hand side and our right hand side, all our bits from the back end in boxes so we don't get confused or get mixed up or lose anything. So Keelan's away. He's going to order new bushings for the back and all the bits and pieces we need to rebuild the back of it and have it looking brand new. And yeah, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. And as we spoke about earlier on, what colour should Keelan paint the car underneath? He wants to know what colour to paint it inside. What sort of colour combo is the best, basically for keeping while you're drifting all the time. What colour is the best? So if you have any ideas, do comment below. And yeah, we'll see you all very soon. Don't forget, like this, comment, and make sure and subscribe. Hit the bell as well because we have lots of stuff going on here in the shed with different projects. So we will see you all soon.